Moving beyond files, many applications require persistent storage of data in structured ways, and that's where databases come in. Python provides excellent support for interacting with various database systems. In this section, we'll briefly look at how to access and work with popular databases like MySQL and MongoDB. To connect Python to a database, you typically need to install a specific library for that database system. You'll usually do this using Python's package installer, pip. MySQL is a widely used open-source relational database management system. Here's a basic example of how you might connect to a MySQL database, execute a query, and fetch results using the mysql-connector-python library. This example demonstrates how to establish a connection using mysql.connector.connect. Create a cursor object to execute SQL commands, use execute for your queries, and fetch all to retrieve the results. It also includes basic error handling and ensures that the database connection is properly closed in the finally block, which is crucial for resource management. Remember to replace your MySQL user, your MySQL password, and your database name with your actual credentials. MongoDB is a popular NoSQL database that stores data in flexible, JSON-like documents. Python interacts with MongoDB using the pymongo library, which provides a very intuitive Pythonic interface for document operations. With pymongo, you first create a MongoDB object to connect to your MongoDB instance. Then you access a specific database and a collection within that database. Operations like insert one to add new documents or find to query for documents are straightforward and work directly with Python dictionaries, which map perfectly to JSON-like documents in MongoDB. This makes working with NoSQL data very natural in Python. Database handling is a complex topic that warrants its own dedicated tutorials, but these examples give you a strong starting point for connecting Python with both relational and NoSQL database systems. You can refer to our dedicated tutorials on Python MongoDB tutorial and Python MySQL tutorial for more in-depth learning.